Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth headphones to your Xbox Series X. Many gamers wonder why their favorite Bluetooth headset doesn't just pair directly. Unfortunately, the Xbox Series X does not natively support standard Bluetooth audio connections. But don't worry, there are two excellent ways to get your audio working seamlessly. We will explore both options to ensure you have clear game sound. The Xbox Series X utilizes a specialized Xbox wireless protocol, not standard Bluetooth, for its accessories like controllers and official headsets. This proprietary system is designed to provide extremely low latency and a stable connection, which is crucial for gaming. Standard Bluetooth audio, while convenient for many devices, simply isn't compatible with the console's native audio input and output. This is why a direct connection won't work. One effective workaround is to use a USB Bluetooth audio transmitter. You'll plug this small device into a USB port on your television or monitor, not directly into the Xbox. Once connected, simply put your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode and connect them to the transmitter. Make sure your display's audio output is set to the correct source, and you'll be enjoying wireless game audio in no time. The most seamless solution is to use headphones that support the Xbox wireless protocol. These headsets are specifically designed to connect directly to your Xbox Series X, just like your controller. They offer integrated features, often including chat mix and spatial audio, with minimal latency. Simply press the pairing button on both the headset and your console, and they will connect automatically, providing a premium audio experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.